Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will teach you on how to run Python programs using Visual Studio Code. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new in my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. There are so many ways to run a Python program in your computer. You can run it through the command line, or you will use text editor that integrates Python. One of the most popular integrated development environment is PyCharm. It is good to use PyCharm if your computer, especially your laptop or desktop computer, has a higher system resources or specification. What do I mean? You have a higher processor like i5, i3, i7, and then you have big amount of memory. Minimum amount, I think, no, for good, in order for PyCharm to run very well, is around 8 GB or much higher. But there is an alternative for that. You can use Visual Studio Code from Microsoft Corporation that is free to download to run your machine, even though your machine is much slower. Let's say your memory is only 4 GB and then you are running i3 or dual core computer. So in this video, I will give you the tips and advice how to do that. Make sure you are connected to the internet. That is the first thing that we will do, no? Let us select for extension, and then make sure that Python interpreter is installed in our computer. We can check in the command line Python version. Sorry for that. Okay, we have here our Python. It's running, no? Okay, so basically our Python interpreter is running. Okay, now what you can do once the interpreter is already installed is to install this plugin, CodeRunner. This library file will allows us to run Python with Python programs without typing Python and then the file name, no, in the command prompt. Once it is installed, let us close that. Let us have a sample program. Let's say this one, hello in Python. We simply select the file in the folder, right click, and then run code. See, it is running already, no? The CodeRunner is the one who write the command for you, Python, and then the path, no? Hello Python, hello in Python. Another program, we have here addition of 3 numbers. The same thing. Click the file, right click, select run code. One, two, three. There's an error. Wait. Okay. The sum of 1, 2, and 3 is 6, no? Let's say we want to change the value. Variable number 1 or num1 is 10, num2 is 20, num3 is 30. Let us save. Right click, select run code. So we have here the sum of 10, 20, and 30 is 60. Okay guys, that's it now for our tutorial video for today on how to run Python program using Visual Studio Code and CodeRunner. I hope that you learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.